Hey, Chris here. This morning I cleaned this light colored leather sectional, and I've always felt like light leather is a little more tricky to clean than normal leather because the dirt sort of settles down into the grain and you have to use some special tools to get it, and I'm happy to tell you about those. First there, I used a makeup glove. You can get it almost anywhere. Then I used a magic eraser with the leather cleaner, and as you can see, it takes off a ton of the ground in dirt on light leather specifically. So try those tips. I'll put a link to them below. Now, there was one more thing with this one. It had a dye transfer stain at the headrest. You should probably call me on that one. Those are hard to get out yourself. But again, here's these products that I recommend, and give it a try. Wow, you made it to the end of a video about leather furniture repair. Appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind, give me a like, and if you'd like to subscribe, I do this every day, so I'll probably be posting more leather transformation videos. Have a good one.